How to add expense categories in QuickBooks. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add expense categories in QuickBooks. It is very simple, quick and easy. Just ensure you watch to the end. The first step is to sign in into your QuickBooks account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in and you're brought to the home page, by the left side of the screen, you can see a navigation bar containing options like transactions, sales, expenses, customers and leads, reports, employees, VAT, etc. Here by the top right corner, you can see other options like help, search bar, notification, gear icon, as well as a profile icon. Just go ahead and click on the gear icon. On the page displayed under your company, scroll down and select chart of account. After selecting chart of accounts, you'll be brought to the transactions page. On this page, by the right side of the screen, you'll see two options, namely run and then new. Just click on the new option. After clicking on the new option, a box will be displayed at the middle of the screen displaying the name account. So other account type, click on the option there, scroll down and select expenses. Alright, so after selecting expenses, you can see that the name under um the name field has been added, right? So you move to the lower part of the detail type, click on it and then select the kind of detail type you want. What kind of category do you want to add? Okay, what kind of expense category do you want to add? So for me, I'll just go ahead and add charitable contributions, and then you can edit this if you want. If not, leave it the way it is. Then you can also add a description to the category if you want to. If not, leave it. Then go ahead and click on save and close, and then just like that, the expense category has been added. You can repeat this process over and over to add as many expense categories that you want to. Thanks for watching and have a good day.